This is the seasonal stock and ETF report for today, July 18th, 2020. Let's go take a look on trade seasonals. I'm logged in with a free account, so I see more than 10 opportunities. So let's take a look at Dow 30 opportunities. Microsoft's on the top of the list. I think most of last week it was also the same at 280 days, which is the maximum number of days. This is the time that it's indicating, algorithm indicates that Microsoft will be a long-term seasonal opportunity. So that's probably because there's a short-term weakness coming. Let's just quickly take a look. In 280 days, average profit 17.68% the last 10 years. If we look at last 20 years, it only had one loss in 2008, 95% profitable, and average profit was 14.34%. It is pretty stable. Although the Sharpe ratio is below 1, it is still a fairly stable trade. Let's take a look at J&J. J&J, 270 days till April 14th, with an average profit of 9.83%. Procter & Gamble, 151 days, 8.36%. Let's take a look at something shorter term. Merck is a 27-day, 2.5% average profit. It's from today till August 14. Let's take a look at the top on NASDAQ. NVIDIA, 62-day trade is at the top of our list with a Sharpe ratio of 1.96. This thing looks pretty good. Average profit 11.44%. This is probably our best bet right now. Also, we have Charter Communication, 63-day opportunity, average profit of 7.39%. And if you see that long score is 80, so it's an uptrend. Dexcom, average profit in 29 days is 12.29%. This is also a very good opportunity. Let's take a look at Ross Stores. Average profit 5.53%, 33 days. That's from today until August 20th. It has been profitable 9 out of the last 10 years. Let's take a look at 20. Ooh. So it really has been seasonally active in the last 10 years. Before that, it was, look at that, all those losses. I wouldn't trade this one, not right now. One I can always have, Apple. 97 days, 12.92%, 90% profitability. We can look at last 20 years, very stable, 85% profitability. We can look at all the data. Let's look at 40 years, 72%. That is definitely a good trade on Apple. However, Apple's almost always bullish. I think the only bad month for Apple is, which is not even that bad, is September. Okay, anything else here? No. Just quickly take a look at Wilshire. Top of the list on Wilshire is Nextra Energy, just like last week, 13.65% from now till April 5th. Also has a short term, Neon, a short, It's a very low price stock, $4.76. But it's seasonally bearish. Omnicron also 100% seasonally bearish for next 15 days. This is $65 stock. If you're planning to do any short trade, this might be your best bet. Here's another short. Kilroy Realty, $51 stock, 4.35% average profit. Over last 10 years, it's been 100% profitable on the downside. Arena Pharmaceuticals, 100% profitable. This is not traded. This might have stopped trading. This usually shows not traded if it hasn't traded in the last 7 days. Prologis. Oh, these are longs. Flagstar. Let's just say we want 30 to 45 day opportunities, or 20 to 45 days, or top of the list was Neon Arena. This would have been a good one. Okay, let's just take a look at ETFs. Do we see anything on ETFs? No, they're all longer term. These short-term ETF trades have very low average profit, so should probably be filtered out. Let's also look at common indices. Look at that. GSPC has a seasonality of 359 days with very low Sharpe ratio, so we are actually not the best seasonal time. How about the next 60 days for S&P? This is the next 60-day performance. It's 80% profitable. It lost 2015 and 2016. But otherwise it made an average of 2.7%. Let's bring October in and type in 90. Now it's 5 and 5. It's been 5 losing years when you include October till October 16. Toward the end of the October, everything becomes bullish again. So from now, for the next 100 days, it's seasonally neutral. I would say probably down, but look at last 3 years. It's done well. However, this is the time of the year things can go south. How about last 20 years? See, in 2008, this is when there was a big drop. So, if there's going to be a big drop, there's a good chance it's going to happen from now till next 100 days. Which it did this day. It was a drop of 32%. What if we go to 120% days? Not as bad. But again, this is a week period of time. That's it for today.